In this video, the Wild Walkers spend an action-packed 4 days in Cairns, full of exciting adventures. We ride the Kuranda Scenic Railway, explore Bird World, and take the gondola back down. Along the way, we spot a wild cassowary. We also visit the lush botanic gardens. The kids have a great time on the Ferris wheel, and we wrap up the trip with the famous Waterfall tour, ending at my favourite spot, the breathtaking Bambina Boulders. Enjoy the journey! Hey boss! This is Dennis Hopper, and he's a neighbouring cat who comes and visits us for food, and he's got 3 legs. And he's 11 years old and he goes camping. Makes friends with all the neighbours. Hey boss!
Barley accommodation.
Yeah. Oh, you're doing ours.
This is
Yeah.
$400 a night.
How much is this place?
Oh, I don't know. I'd have to have a look.
Here's Lisa and Mark's cabin in Cairns.
Yeah.
A little shoebox, is it?
Yeah.
Oh no, we've got a kitchen.
I'll take you to the ensuite.
Okay.
Yeah, the ensuite.
Fancy put my bucket over here.
Not even a toilet.
No toilet. You couldn't even upgrade.
Yeah, that's why I said they could at least put a toilet.
So how much for 4 nights?
200. Oh no, 214 under discount.
Oh, that's
So
cheap.
it's only $50
50 bucks a night.
It's so cheap. You can't expect much for $50 a night.
Well, it's their bed, and we didn't supply it.
Yeah, Granddad's up the top.
Oh, there's a ladder.
Where's the ladder?
In the cupboard.
And there's our campsite. While we're in Cairns, we're here for 4 nights. Show me your farm animals.
I packed them away.
Oh, you've packed yours away, and we've been doing some arts and crafts, haven't we? You had to build your own farm. That's Lila's. Don't touch. She'll get mad.
Why?
So today we're going to do the Kuranda Scenic Railway up the mountain. It's about an hour-and-a-half train ride. And then once we get to the top, there's the markets on today. And we also might do the bird park up there. It's one of the largest. And then finally we're going to take the cable car back down the mountain. So it should be a fun day. That's the old style telephone. And they would say, oh, I want to ring Grace, and you'd know her phone number.
They only have 2 numbers.
Your ticket will specify which carriage you will be boarding.
Theo's very excited. He brought his bread to feed the ducks and the birds. Wait, banana, wait, banana.
Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, this is good, isn't it?
Why is it so slow? What's going to build up?
You want the bullet train? You can go back to the
Should be pretty close. Whoa. Get out there.
Suspended down by ropes
through the town to the bird world, haven't we? There's a cassowary. They're in the area.
Yeah.
You right?
Oh my god.
Wait, where'd people get the food?
Oh, I don't know.
Want some?
Yeah.
Very flat hand.
Give him a crack.
The black cockatoo. Oh! Hello. Hi.
Oh,
Oh, look at all the ones. Whoa! Look at that! And those ones.
wow.
There's a rainbow one and blue one. Whoa!
Hold your hand up. Oh, there's the blue and gold macaws up there.
I know, I saw.
They never come over.
Photo taken. Sorry.
Corey, look. The turtles are trying to push each other off.
Dad!
A little bit.
Dad! Dad! Leave me on the bed to die.
What you got? I bet you that one takes a finger.
This is a cassowary. You want to know what you've got?
Oh no, that's my toe.
Look at these two.
What are the pink ones up
Father, Theo, can I have a piece?
Look at his eyes.
They're the Major Mitchells.
What are they called?
Major Mitchell.
I want a major
Look,
Mitchell.
Corey. Okay. Hello. He's following you, dude. Get a proper bit and hold it straight.
Every time I think of a bird, I'm like, huh?
And the ducks will come. Aren't they cute? They're like little baby ducks.
Theo, who wants some more bread?
You gotta do bigger. He gives them like a crumb and they can't see it.
The big bird wants some bread. Come feed it. Eyes and share up top. You've got a yellow bird. He wants some food.
Give him some food. Let me see. You give me some.
Put some
Yeah,
on my
he
finger.
will bite you.
He doesn't like sharing food, does
He
he?
will bite you.
Oh, birds. They are pretty sharp. Oh, they just want sunflower seeds. Can I have some?
because he bites me.
Certain birds aren't scared of humans. These are a bit timid, aren't they?
Because they're smaller.
They think you won't. Yeah, those big ones know they can take a big chunk of you if they want to.
Mom, those big ones just
Bite you,
bite.
yeah.
No,
The little ones.
No, the big ones bite me. Just whack my hand and then scoop the food up. They bite these inside.
He's trying to get his food. It's time to get him to come down over here. But he's got to. They don't like food, I don't think. They like food.
No? Hello.
Yeah.
Even though there's food in my bag, he's just eating out of the bag. Look at you. You're the big one. Oh, where are you going? Where are you going?
They must be his favourite.
Okay, thank you guys. I hope you've enjoyed your day in Kuranda. Your next stop is going to be Barron Falls Station, 10 minutes down the cableway. Have a good afternoon. Thank you. Bye-bye.
This is just like being the Ferris wheel, but it's way higher.
Yep, you ready?
We're going to be high.
Oh, it's going to go fast, Lila, look.
Oh,
speed up.
God.
Shit.
Getting ready.
Shoot yourself down.
But what if we choke?
Yeah, don't choke on your lollies.
There's one you choked on last.
Are you okay? Can you not?
Could you swallow the
he
whole thing?
swallowed the whole thing.
I pushed it up.
Okay, no,
Maybe
don't.
I'll just take this out.
Yeah, if you choke, we can't save you.
No more, you're not
Do you want to just throw it out the window?
Yeah.
There
Yeah,
is no
throw it
window.
out
Throw it out the window.
No.
Yeah,
you'll
'cause-
choke on it.
Yeah,
You'll
throw it out the
But
window.
when we finish the ride, can I eat that?
Yeah, but you're going to have to hold it the whole way. It'll sticky.
I don't want you guys choking.
You're not
Stitch
hurt.
it.
You're not
Stitch
hurt.
That was so amazing. It was like bumpy. Lightning, you're definitely gonna shut it down.
We went on the gondola when it was
Right,
really
okay.
busy.
There's the
They still didn't shut it.
Oh, there's the train, Mum.
Oh, we're going across water.
Oh, it's windy.
Wow. You can get a breeze up the bum. Look at that. We're going across Crocodile and Fisted
Yeah,
River.
can we see any crocs?
No. Yes. Here's one. Yeah. Why? Well, because you're scared of that. Because that. You're scared.
To look up at the trees.
Nana told us not to go on the floor. We're allowed to go on it.
not as tame as the other one.
It's not as they should live, not in that little cage.
Yeah, it was tiny. You can only stand there.
He wants another
He
one.
wants some more there. You're gonna have to throw him some more.
Okay. Oh, we're high.
That's what would be scary if it was like someone said that it was in the clouds. Scary.
Believe it, right?
Means that scary broke down on you.
Who?
The man that decided to put the railway station over there. They could have built it on the side, but they built it over there. It's a high gondola there.
Oh, I wish I was sitting on your side. What's the slowest gondola?
The slowest, is
The
it?
slow. We are going.
Done it now, don't have to do it again.
No,
Yes, we do.
it's off my bucket list.
It's a bucket list.
Things you want to do before you die.
What are you going to say that?
Yeah, I'll say, so Lisa, we plan to save $60 by leaving one car here and driving to the other station, but we left the keys in the other car glove box for safekeeping.
I gave the keys to Chanel to leave in the glove box, so we've got a car here but no keys.
Yeah, we left the keys in the other car at the station, so luckily they were nice enough and gave Corey and the kids a free ride back to the station.
Yeah.
What is that?
One of these leaves growing.
Yeah.
It's just like
He's got a day to play in the field. They have a picture next to one
Yeah.
spider. We're going in.
Now we're at the Cairns Lagoon.
We're going that Ferris wheel. We've never been on a Ferris
That Ferris wheel's pretty cool. Is it cold?
Not even that.
Okay, Theo.
Dad's
Get it on that side.
I'll do on that side here.
Where's Mum? You're going away from Mum?
Oh, here we go. Holding on to this. Yay! It's good. It's all. Here we go. Yeah, let's get. Oh God. Oh God.
Now your mum aren't even watching you, they're both on their phone.
Let's get.
Oh, gosh, we're going now. Cool.
Oh my God. Look at the view.
I'm going to take my phone down my pocket. Yeah, I've got to take the photo.
Whoa, so cool. Oh my God. Whoa, we're high. I'm scared when we're going down. That's the scary part. I'm scared when we go down. That's the biggest one. Dad, that's the biggest one. Mom! We're gonna get taken over again in a while. So we're gonna get taken over again.
We're going to go back up.
We're gonna go back up, Clara.
Oh, your mum thinks we're at the top. She's taking a photo at the top. We're down here.
Come on. What have you found? You got a letter, a package from Grace. Cool. Let's go home and see what it is. Theo, come see. There's a letter that says your name from Emma. You'll have to write her a card back. Turn it over the back. Don't rip it that way. To Theo, what does it say? How are you?
What is this?
That's Lila's.
Hey, that's mine.
It says, are you having fun, Theo? Are you having fun? So, what did you get, Lila?
Cards from Grace.
And did you get one from Emma, Theo? We'll have to write her one back. Draw her a picture.
But I don't know how to write.
I'll help you. Cool.
That's right.
Today we're doing the Atherton Waterfall circuit up in Cairns, and we've just climbed up the Gillies ranges, and oh my gosh, it was very twisty and turny. We had to go quite slow because me and Lila were feeling sick. Hey, now we've reached, I think it's called Lake Barrine, and it's definitely colder up here, so make sure you bring your sweatshirt. I think Nana said that this lake used to be a volcano, so we'll give you a bit of a tour. So there is a tea house here, but it's shut today.
Why?
Yeah, it doesn't open till Thursday.
This.
Have a boat ride around the lake.
The monkey.
Well, monkey in the forest.
I can. I'll go through a punch. No.
Lila, you're like Tarzan. Jane.
Okay, you're filming now.
Don't push me, don't.
Lila, look up.
No.
Cool. Right, Corey's turn.
Get me down, get me down, get me
Oh, Lila, get out of the mud!
Right, get out of
Get out of the mud!
those sticky ones that grab you.
Theo said it's like the floor is lava.
Let someone grab me then.
Uh-oh, too muddy. We have to make a new path. Spiky tree.
Oh my god, Mama! Oh god.
This is only our first walk.
Oh god. How will I get across? Where do I go?
Go that way. Go around here, this side. Oh, look at your shoes, Lila. Theo, go around the side. We're now in the small town of Youngburra, and we're just doing the trek to try and find a platypus. But unfortunately part of the trek's closed, but he said you might still see one down here.
No crocodiles are going to run down. There's crocodiles up here.
And that water possibly. I wouldn't swim in it.
Well, we can hear all the bats, can't we? But haven't seen a platypus. Here they are in that tree. They're all sleeping.
I'm scared I don't want to fall on.
Lila, go.
Keep going.
Can you go?
Run.
Can you go? Well, we didn't find any platypuses, but now it's lunch break.
So we're at the waterfall. We're at the Millaa Millaa Falls.
So we just saw the Millaa Millaa Falls,
Millaa Millaa.
and now we're seeing the Zillie Falls.
Zillie Falls.
So this one we started at the top of the falls, but we couldn't see it, so we have to take the trek down. Just go slow, it's really steep. Now we're at the next one, Ellinjaa Falls.
I can hear it.
You can hear it?
What the? Whoa! What the? Oh my God!
It's only a little bit.
We're in the tropical rainforests, Lila.
That's a weird tree. And I've seen these things. They are hard.
Are they hard?
Really hard.
No, they're like mushrooms.
No, but some I've seen they're really hard.
So we're now on our way to Josephine Falls. This is the one you can go on the rock slide, it's like a hydro slide of slippery rocks, but it does say there are 15 deaths here, so be careful. So we're at our last stop of the day, the Bambina Boulders. Bambina Boulders. And Lisa said that 21 people have died at this one. Any crocs in there?
float in here on a lilo or something.
Yeah, people come swimming here. Looks pretty nice. No, no.
Step in. It's not that cold.
But this would be nice, yeah, I reckon, just like floating on a tire.
Swimming because it's the day.
Okay, we'll go see the Devil's Pool.
Because people die there. Yeah, that shows up.
These are all the people that died there.
That's why it's called the chute.
So people get stuck
Yeah.
Or
or
they get
tripped
stuck.
under.
Like,
Fall down and then you get whizzed.
it's like,
that's
it's
how
like
they
a
die.
man's ball sack, really, isn't it?
Looks like a mushroom.
The waterfall circuit is now complete. Now back to base for dinner.